Hey, good morning, good evening, friend. And this is Subhash here. And this video is really important because I'm going to share a very secret strategy and very secret information about how I made around $1,000 a day. And also, we are going to share our $1,300 case study in front of you, and I will going to withdraw in my bank account. So where you will so after then I will teach you how you can same kind of money to your online business. Okay, for examples, if you are starting your online business, your affiliate marketing business to this year, then really if you follow this blueprint, then it will change your whole life. Okay, so you can see this is my official website subhasyadav.in. So if you want to check out, you just go to and type subhasyadav.in, then you will redirect my this page, and you will once you click on this page, okay, you can fill out if you want to receive our free training and everything. Then you can sign up, and you will get every single day free training about affiliate marketing, secret strategy, traffics, and so many things I have sharing with you. Okay, so you can see my new Warrior Plus account which I have created to this month to for a new year earning. So you can see I have already earned about I have already earned $6,000. So you can see we are going to withdraw, and I have already withdrawn some amount, but in front of you we are going to withdraw 1150 45, and you can see 80. Okay, and we are going to select my bank account and click the withdrawal. Okay, and I'm not working just one method. I'm working, you can see what says your money is transferred to your Subhash Yadav bank account. This is my Axis bank account, and please allow to 48 hours. So after 48 hours, this money convert to my local currency. After then it will automatically credit to my bank account. Okay, so this is very simple. And other money, I'm going to open my email with you, and you can see this is PayPal today. Okay, and this is my PayPal send me around, you can see 100 100 around $200, you can see on here 15 January. And how I get money, really I have not struggled anything about making this kind of money, because I am using ClickFunnel. So you can see ClickFunnel, I'm using a ClickFunnel from years, and I don't know how I'm generating lots of money from ClickFunnel affiliate ClickFunnel products. Okay, just hold on. ClickFunnel, 1 second. And you can see this is my Chrome browser, and we are going to log in and I'm going to open our affiliate account, ClickFunnel affiliate account. So you can see, just hold on a minute, and you can see on here $793. So really I have never promote this ClickFunnels affiliate, because and how I generate, I'm just using a ClickFunnels product. So in the visits, it will automatically promote ClickFunnels when someone visiting my ClickFunnels page, and they have all automatically their affiliate link. And when someone going to click and join ClickFunnels, then I have made commission. So maybe really I don't know about this, but I made. So it is it is beneficial for me. So I think I have shared everything with you. So let's back. So around 1100 plus, just going to calculate. So 1145 plus 194, you can see. So it is case study. So how you can make this kind of money? Okay, it is not important to making I am making a lot of money. How you can replicate and how you can make your own money, so this is the matter. Okay, so first of all, if you really want to make money, then you should promote very low ticket, okay, very low ticket offers like $10, $20, and a very new product. So how you can get a new product details? You can go to mansai.com, where you will see a lot of people, a lot of great vendors promoting launching their own product every single day, related make money online and other softwares. So you can get affiliate link, and you can promote using free traffic source from YouTube, social media, and another channel. So and like yeah, you just get your affiliate link about, for example, click publisher. If you want to promote this product and you want to make a money, then click on there, and first you should get affiliate link. Okay, where is the affiliate link? ZBDOC you can open, where you will get your affiliate link. You will get your affiliate link after, then okay, request, and within 24 hours your link will approved. Then you will get your affiliate link. After, then you will able to promote your this product. Okay, once you will get affiliate link, then you can create a review videos, and you can run solo ads. Okay, if you want to make instant sale, you can run solo ads. Okay, how you can run solo ads? If you want to learn about this, then comment below, I will share with you. Okay, but really, if you want to build your established business, then okay, you don't need to you should not need to follow blindly to any method, really. If you want to learn everything, then I highly recommend you should go to learn free up cost training call from my mentor Zono Armstrong, where you will learn about how Ministry of Freedom change thousands of people life, how very basic very non-technical person making around six figure, around 100K per month using Ministry of Freedom method. So I am also member of Ministry of Freedom, and it is 9 week training program. So if you want to learn about how this is work and how you can make your own money, and you can see inside the course there have so many things, so many knowledge, so many secrets, everything, so you can see. And the best part is, if you really want to make your 10K, then there have a challenge how you can make your 10K within a 60-day guaranteed. So everything in front of you I have sharing with you. So if you want to learn everything, then click the link below. Okay, and once you click the link below, then you will going to a registered page, and where you will register and watch free training. And you, if you have any question regarding this, simply I have putting my WhatsApp number on inside description, so you can WhatsApp me. But you should have a budget to join Ministry of Freedom. Okay, so I will personally help you, because I have my own groups. Okay, I have my own groups, and where I am teaching every single person who joined by my link of Ministry of Freedom. Okay, so here I have my own group. So hold on, I think it will take a time. So a lots of contact on here. Okay, so so many people. So I will share with you later. So I hope you understand everything. So if you need any help, simply comment below. Thank you so much for watching.